Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to change Wi-Fi password on the TP-Link Archer C80 router, but it's the same way for all the TP-Link routers. First thing you need to do is to open the web browser and input the IP address in the address field, like 192.168.0.1, and you should see the screen like that. Enter the password and you are in the router settings. Now click on the advanced icon, click on the wireless settings, and there you can select the type of encryption, and there you can change the password. So I will change mine for this one, and the same for 5G network. Okay. And click save to confirm everything. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel.